that bird speak? Sure. Not a peep. Hey, you know they gotta eat. Yeah, they gotta eat. Yeah. I hear you talking sideways. Know you talking sideways. Somebody gon' die today. I can get you while you wide awake. Oh, in your dream, I'm like TLC, I'll creep, nigga. Put you to sleep.
Hey, I'm a smooth criminal like Michael Jackson. Went from black to white through the night, I'm walking backwards. I be standing slight to the right like my back hurts. And I got all the rights to love my wife when I put my gat first. I know they gon' struggle all their life cause they lack work. Chasing after that bad bitch and you ain't supposed to put that first. Grew up in the projects with lions, Matt Stafford. Well, you was either gon' ball, be the supplier, or a rapper. You can get your ass kicked, talking slick with no manners. Or you can get your ass killed, wildin' out like Nick Cannon. That just might be your last meal, last time with your family. Or lose someone you love cause you was taking shit for granted.
But when you hear that bird speak, sure. Not a peep. Hey, you know they gotta eat. Yeah, they gotta eat. Yeah. I hear you talking sideways. Know you talking sideways. Somebody gon' die today. I can get you while you wide awake. Oh, in your dream, I'm like TLC, I'll creep, nigga. Put you to sleep.
It takes off, so far from landing at all. Through the Gulf Coast and there beyond. And it also plans on soaring till it's reaching the stars like it ain't ready to fall. So take off, little birdie, you're awesome and worthy. Take off, little birdie, take off. So take off, little birdie, you're flawless and birdie. Take off, little birdie, take off. I need some loyal friends, damn wish I could order them. Need them when I'm in the trench. I know they got me to a certain extent. Them one niggas never heard of them. They all fake, at least a third of them. Was king, but that's old news. This my shit, you don't deserve it again. I'm a rebel, standing by a grave with a shovel in my hand, getting ready to dance, throw hands with the devil. Pray to the man, case my plans don't go as plans. He take me to another level. In the AM, takes raisin bran, bacon eggs, don't care if they scramble. Go to work, hope my boss don't give me a job too much for me to handle. Clocking out, I'll see you tomorrow. Hit the bar with some rich bra. She stared sharp with eagle's claw. Damn, she almost made me fall. Smoke brief by default, so I be high as fuck. Spread my wings and I be flying
but when
up.
you hear that bird speak,
Sure.
not a peep. Hey, you know they gotta eat. Yeah, they gotta eat. Yeah. I hear you talking sideways. Know you talking sideways. Somebody gon' die today. I can get you while you wide awake. Oh, in your dream, I'm like TLC, I'll creep, nigga.